Welcome to the Explore the World and Technology YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the Grade 6 Science Short Note Lesson 1. So please subscribe us, share with your friends in order to see the next video. Let's start. 1. What are the living beings? Give example. Things that show common features like growth, reproduction, death are called living beings. Example: plants, animals, microorganisms. 2. What are the non-living beings? Give example. Things that do not display common features like growth, reproduction, death are called non-living things. Example: chairs, tables, rocks. 3. What are the common features of living being? Growth, reproduction, locomotion, respiration, nutrition, sensitive to environment, excretion. 4. What are the three main groups of organisms? Plants, reproduction, microorganism. 5. What is growth? Increase in size or amount in living beings is called growth. 6. What is reproduction? Matured living beings producing new members of the same species is called reproduction. New plants from plants, new animals from animals. Furthermore, plants can't move from place to place, but some plants show some movements. Example: bending of stems towards the sunlight, shrinking of plants, leaves like Mara, Sesbania, Katurumurunga, tamarind. 7. What is movement? Animals can move from one place to another place. It is called locomotion. Example: walking, swimming, flying, creeping. 8. What is respiration? Oxygen gas is taken to body and the produced carbon dioxide is released in body, as you can see on the screen. 9. What is the experiment to find out whether exhaled air contains carbon dioxide? Materials: colorless lime water, calcium hydroxide, a straw, a test tube. The method: put some colorless lime water into a test tube, then bubble the exhaled air into the test tube. Observe the colorless calcium hydroxide in the test tube change it into off-white. Turning colorless lime water into off-white due to the presence of carbon dioxide. Hence, the exhaled air contains carbon dioxide, as you can see on the screen. 10. What is nutrition? The process of satisfying the food requirements of organism is called the nutrition. 11. What is photosynthesis? Plants produce their own food within themselves by using carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, minerals, and soil. This process is called photosynthesis. So these plants are called autotrophic. 12. What is heterotrophic? Animals can't produce their own food, but animals depend on plants or another animals for their food. So these animals are called heterotrophic. 13. What is sensitivity to environment? Changes in the environment and reaction of animals for stimulus. Example, when you hear a sound, you look that direction. After a touch, the leaves of a touch me not mimosa plant shows a sleeping movement, as you can see the down. 14. What is excretion? Releasing unwanted waste matters produced in living organism is called excretion. Example, carbon dioxide in plants and animals, urine in animals, sweat in animals, as you can see on the screen clearly. 15. What are the three types of major living beings? Plants, animals, microorganisms. 16. What are the examples for the diversity of plants? Nature of the plants, trees, shrubs, creepers. Morphological features, roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, shape of the seeds, size, color. Environment, aquatic, coastal, mangrove. Let's see regarding the nature of the plants. Plants, trees, shrubs, creepers, as you can see on the screen. Morphological features, roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, shape of the seeds, size, color, as you can see on the screen. According to environment, aquatic, coastal, mangrove. 17. What are the common characteristics of plants? They are green in color. Photosynthesis, releasing oxygen, autotrophic. They do not locomote. 18. Give example for the vast diversity among animals. Based on living environment, as you can see on the screen, terrestrial, aquatic, air. Based on the feeding mechanism, as you can see on the screen, chew and swallow, swallow without chewing, suck. Based on the type of food, as you can see on the screen, carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous. Based on external characteristic, as you can see on the screen, color, shape, appendages. Based on mode of locomotion, as you can see on the screen, walking, swimming, flying, creeping. 19. What are the common characteristics of animals? Feeding on another animal for nutrition, locomotion, excretion. 20. What are the differences between animals and plants? Let's see those differences. Plants do not show locomotion. Animal show locomotion. Plants, they have roots. Animals, they don't have roots. Plants, the plants are in green color. Animals, no green color. Plants, no limitation for growth. Animals, limitation in growth. Plants, producing own food. Animals, Animals depend on another animal or plants for food. 21. What are the microorganisms? Give example. Organisms that cannot be observed with the naked eye. Example, fungi, bacteria, algae, as you can see on the screen. 22. What is the dichotomous key? Categorization of organisms using the presence or absence of a characteristic feature is known as a dichotomous key. As you can see on the down, Sesbania, elephants, bacteria. Animals see to our naked eye. Sesbania, elephants. Animals unable to see by naked eyes. Bacteria. According to that, Sesbania and elephants are going to be divided into two, with roots, without roots, as you can see the down. So subscribe and share with your friends for the next video. Thank you.